All right guys, so I put on the carbon fiber diffuser and it looks awesome guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. What's going on guys? SRT Dad, and guys, today I'm gonna take this rear diffuser off. Okay, I'm gonna swap it out. All right, let me show you with what. The exact same one guys, but this one is dipped in carbon fiber. I'm really anxious and excited to do the swap, but another reason why I'm doing it is to kind of make an instructional video on how to put one of these Hellcat diffusers on the older generation charger. So the first thing you want to do guys is you're going to want to get rid of these clips. That's basically all you have to do, is get rid of these clips. This is the only modification you have to do. So I'm going to basically cut them off with these heavy duty scissors and kind of just make them flush with this with the line right here, and just make it just go straight through on all what was it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 clips, 8 clips, 9. There's 2 on the very edges here, so 9 clips. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. You can count guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take those 9 clips off. You can see here that it's not real carbon fiber guys. It's the same materials, just dipped in carbon fiber. It gives it a nice shine to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those clips off guys, and then take the other diffuser off and do a swap. Right, as you guys can see, I got all the clips off, and it's not perfectly flush, so I'm gonna take off the other diffuser and kind of see how much I took off the other one, and then if I need to take some off, I'll make it flush. So let's go ahead and take that rear diffuser off. So all it basically is guys on these rear diffusers is just you have to screw into them. You can see I have screws in here, so I'm gonna unscrew them all and then kind of put the new one on and kind of stage it how I want to put it, and then I'll screw the new screws into it. So let me take this out real quick. All I'm gonna do is guys just unscrew it and it'll come right off. That's it. That's the only way I put it on. I didn't put any tape or anything. It's just screws. That's it. All right guys, so I got the rear diffuser off. So you can see I have 2 marks on here, right? Two holes already. And that's because the first time I went up too high and I had to go lower the second time. The first time I had it up to here, but on the cutouts you could see like this red part, and I didn't like that, so I lowered the rear diffuser a bit. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna clean this off, I'm just gonna line up the new diffuser to this. That way I don't have issues lining it up, and then I'll screw it. I'll do the same thing. I'm just gonna screw in those screws. You can see them right here. Sorry, I have a mess in my garage. They're all just regular screws, and then at the very bottom ends, like right here, I have a washer on with the screw. Other than that, all the other screws are the same. Okay, they're really short. They were black, but obviously they rusted, but they're still in good condition. So I might use some new ones if I have some. But that's what it looks like without the diffuser, guys. And honestly, doesn't look bad. Should I just keep it like this? Just kidding. I'm putting the carbon fiber diffuser on right now, guys, so let's go ahead and do that. So here's the old diffuser, guys. It's really dirty right now because the car's dirty, but you can see on here I went really flush with it. So I'm gonna get a knife and just kind of like just saw the little pieces that are sticking out of the carbon fiber one. You can see, sorry about my mess. Kind of using little items to stage it how I want to stage it, but you can tell it's already gonna look really good. But yeah, I just want to get these little pieces that are hanging out too much off. Just get a little knife and just saw it off, basically, guys. Do that real quick. All right, guys. So I bought this like a utility scissor here that has a little saw on it, and you can see I sawed off all this stuff right here, and I lined it up well. So now I could just screw it in, stage it, screw it in. I'm gonna use, like I said, I'm gonna use that same line to get it where I had the other one, and then just screw it in. We'll see how it turns out. So guys, if you're wondering how to stage it like without a second person, like I said, I just use whatever items I can find and just kind of preset it. I'm gonna start drilling just by the middle, kind of set a baseline, and then go from to the left and right side afterwards. This is still a little lower than I want it. You can see the tip here, it's being partially covered. I'm gonna have it about right here, just right there. Kind of see how it's gonna look underneath. Just about right there, I'm gonna have it. Alright guys, let's begin drilling. Alright guys, so hit the back with some detail spray real quick, just the back. I didn't do the tail lights, but kind of see, there it is. Looks really good. Looks really, really good, guys. I'm gonna pull the car out to the street up here just so we get a better angle, because the car is angled down right now. As you can see, I mean, oh yeah, it looks a lot better because the carbon fiber lets you give the details of the fins in the back. It shows it off more. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and we'll check it out. All right, pull it out to the driveway, or out of the driveway. Alright guys, so I put on the carbon fiber diffuser and it looks awesome, guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. There it is. Looks really good, guys. The only thing I would say is when you put these screws in, you want to put them somewhere discreet. I did mess up on one where I put it right here and it's kind of obvious. And they are rusty. I might get some new black ones, or I might just hit them with some Sharpie real quick. Get rid of that rust. But there you see it, guys. It looks really awesome. Gives a cleaner look. You can see, like I said, the fins just in the glare of the sun. It's kind of shaded up in this angle, but it looks really good. All right, guys, so here's another angle. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But that's basically going to be all for today, guys. I just really wanted to make the video to kind of show you how to install the rear diffuser on these older Chargers. That's going to be all, guys. I'm SRT Dad. I'm freaking sweaty. It's not even that hot out. I just get sweaty over anything. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, comment. Comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, okay? I'm SRT Dad, guys. I'm out.